Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to discuss Cosmos and its token Atom. None of the content is financial advice. Let's get started. So Atom is currently at around $2.50. You can see this is the monthly candle view of Atom again. Nothing too special about it. These are the regular candles. If you switch it to the momentum candles, that is the Heikanhashi candles. You would notice that the severe downturn still continues, with the last major upside was in December 2024, which was again a series of lower highs and lower lows. If you were to draw a line from here, and again a similar line down here. So the downtrend has continued, but what has happened over the last 7 days or so, Atom has rallied again. This chart over here under heat map section of our website. Atom has rallied over the last 7 days to 30 days, up by about 26% over the last 30 days. And again, with most of the cryptos rallying in the last 7 days, Atom also again participating in that rally. And again, if Atom is up over the last key performance period. Again, this week has been slightly a down week, but again, the rally to the 20-week simple moving average for Atom could take the price to $3 level, which is about 50 cents higher than the current price. And in terms of percentage, that would be a 20% rally of the current price if the price and the 20-week were to meet at $3. The 50-week is at around $3.92. Over the longer term, some of the longer term moving average for Atom, this purple line which turns gold, is the 100-week simple moving average. The 100-week simple moving average could meet the price action at around $4.50. Again, the current valuation of the 100-week simple moving average is all the way at around $5.60, but it is rapidly declining in valuation. So if the rally again were to extrapolate it, and the 100-week simple moving average were to be extrapolated, again they could have a meeting point somewhere between $4.50 and $4.75. That's about a 90% rally from here if that were to happen. The 200-week simple moving average is all the way at around $8.40. If the price goes above the 200-week simple moving average anytime soon, that again, and if the decline is not that sharp, that's about a 200% rally over here, from the current valuation about $2.50. Okay, so in terms of where the price forecast for Atom could be, again per our machine learning based models are all available on cryptoweeklies.com. None of the content financial advice. This is seasonal ARIMA based machine learning forecasting technique using confidence levels based estimates. The non-Euphoria bull run peak for Atom is at around $4.20 in the coming weeks to months. Again, if the bear market were to have a relief sometime in future, again the price could go to the 50-week simple moving average, which is around $4. That's confluent with both the technical analysis of a moving average using moving averages and also the machine learning based forecast. If there is a continued downturn for Atom, again the bottom for Atom is nowhere close to be found. The bottom finding process has been disappointing, and that has gotten reflected into this machine learning models forecast. So if there is a severe downturn, let's say 2 to 3 months of downturn, price of Atom per this model could go low into the low $1.50 range. In terms of the time weighted average price, the price is significantly below the time weighted average price. The time weighted average price is at around $9.85. So price, this blue line again is an integration of how much of the price action can go to the upside without kind of disturbing the balance of previously spent time in some of the key time periods. For example, from 2020 till essentially 2022, the price spent a lot of time above $10 level. So that has a impact on its time weighted average price. It's a declining function, but it's not in a rapid decline. So in 2024, the time weighted average price was $11. Now it's at around, roughly speaking, $10. So in the future bull runs, again, this level could be an area to watch for. So this is about a 4x of the current price of about $2.50. So again, there could be a rally in the future again, and at that time the time weighted average price could be somewhere close to $8. So that between that $3 level to $8, that's a 2.5x to under 3x from here, if that were to materialize. The DCA or the regression based model says that as the price action has spent a lot of time in this downturn, the fair value again goes down with time. This is a non-linear model, so it tries to identify that non-linearity of the fair value with respect to time. So right now the fair value is at around $2.16. The price is above the fair value per this model. How high can this go without causing much of a disturbance in the uh, or again much attention in the market, or requiring severe euphoria to materialize, is between the current price and the max ceiling is again at zero point 0.9. Risk is at around $4.95, so almost $5 level. So price could digest that move to $5 level without causing a uh, significant requirement of euphoria in the wider crypto market. That's about a 2x of the current price. The same could be said again. The previous model was at a daily level. This is at a weekly level applied. If we were to look at some of the major milestones, the one standard deviation residual is all the way at around $3.50. Two standard deviation residual for the peak is at around $5.50. So those are the two milestones to the upside. To the downside, which is quite arguably more important in this bear market, is this green line over here. That support is at around $1.40, as mentioned by the machine learning model as well as the regression based model. That valuation again could be of some key interest in the bear market of 2026. With that, I would conclude with the two scenarios: estimated bear market bottom and estimated bullish targets. Starting with the estimated bear market bottom for Atom, uh, the price being lower than the time weighted average price has reduced the time weighted average price risk. The base bear case is behind us. Again, the price is lower than the base bear target, so which is a good sign. Again, if there is a panic bear case for Atom, the bottom could be at around $1.90, which is about a 25% drawdown of the current price. If there is a severe recessionary or macro drop in the wider asset class and the bull and the wider macroeconomic drop, the price could drop by 40% and the price lower for Atom could be $1.50. With that, I would like to conclude. Hope you enjoyed the content. Again, just before that, let's look at what possibilities in a bull run for Atom. The base case in the bullish environment is about 5x of the current price, which is at around $12. The bull case again close to it, slightly under 5x, $12.33, and the stretch goal for Atom is at around $20, which is 8x of the current price. With that, hope you enjoy the content. If you did, please check out all of these charts and hope you have a nice rest of your weekend. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.